Welcome to the world of the Shard Center for Innovation, where the magic of imagination intertwines with the marvels of technology. Here, we're all about making the vast and fascinating universe of artificial intelligence an exciting and approachable playground for children of every age. At the Shard Center for Innovation, the joy of discovery takes center stage as we dive into the thrilling realm of robotics. Imagine the wonder of assembling and programming your very own robot, bringing your unique vision to life. And the adventure doesn't stop there. Have you ever dreamed of soaring through the skies, weaving between clouds, and exploring the world from a bird's-eye view? With our drone programs, you're the pilot. The sky's the limit as you navigate through the air, performing impressive maneuvers at your command. So why wait? Embark on an extraordinary journey of discovery and innovation at the Shard Center for Innovation. Head over to our website to learn more about our programs and how you can become a part of our vibrant community. The future awaits, and it's more exciting than you could ever imagine.